So we are here with a quarantine moment, and I can feel a bit of heat left and right as a mother. And we've been complaining so much about slay queens, about them girls, but now let us go to the root cause of the whole problem in the society. It is because of these matold men that our young girls are soon going into depression. Why am I saying this? It is because of this same old men. When I say old men, it doesn't mean old. I mean people with their families. You know very well that you have a very stable family. Then you take somebody's young girl, maybe age of 20, between 20, 25, 28. I don't know what young is all about because I already got married at the age of 14. So my main worry here is, you know very well you have a stable family, you have a wife, you have children, you have bills to pay, and then you brainwash these girls that they refuse to take job opportunities. You brainwash them with holidays, you brainwash them with shopping, you pay for them rent, you're always there for them, you know, always sending money on M-Pesa, maybe banking money in their accounts, and then this has made the girl child lose focus in life. They've been adamantly depending on you because you promised and you promised to be there for them, do or die. Now, you're not picking up calls. You are not picking up them calls because you are with your wife. What happened? Where was your wife all those times? All during those times when this little young girl was there for you with all your depressions. When you come from work, smelling grease or sweat, the first stop is in her house, the one that you rented for her. You know very well she doesn't have a job. You are her job. Now you're not picking up calls. What do you want this girl to do? Okay, we understand there are no holidays now because most hotels are closed and the aeroplanes are not flying again. So it doesn't really matter about holiday right now, but the daily life that you are funding, I am talking to you. What has gone wrong with that? The government only said you quarantine and the curfew is between what time? 7 in the evening. The government did not quarantine your phone. Or the government did not close down your accounts. The banks are still running. Even my banker called me yesterday. The banks are still running. Oga, send money. Send them money the way you used to send them, because for right now, how do you expect these girls to start organizing themselves? Where do you want these small young girls to start collecting themselves from? You are the one who was engineering. You are the one who was sponsoring their lives. So now, pick the phone. Look for a space in your house, wherever it's going to be. Pick up that phone and organize that girl down somewhere. We don't want people, we're already dying of corona. We don't want our girls to die of depression. Apart from corona, nostalgia, and you call it what? Fantasy and paranoia. Our girls are suffering. Maybe somebody else will not talk about this. I was in these shoes 2010 when I was still depending on someone to pay my rent. My friend, that shit is fucked up. That rubbish is messed up. Depending on someone's pocket, hey. Ask me, I will tell you. You have sleepless nights. You can't even shower. You call, they don't pick. You start giving them excuses. Maybe he has not seen the call. Maybe he will call back. You send them email, they don't reply. The landlord is on your neck. My friend, you have no life. So, my baba, people's husbands, the way that those girls were persevering with your wife, sending them those ugly read more messages, persevere with our girls now. I am out for my girls because I know what they are going through. Pick up those calls. Look for a place in your house and pick up the phone and reorganize that girl. Pay the rent for a whole year. Because as with this corona, I don't know when things will calm down. I was about to just jump into my pool and I just thought my years back when I was still depending on a man to pay my rent. But for me, I was divorced, I didn't have a job. It's not that I went looking for men to pay my rent. I found myself in that situation. Someone promised to be in my life, so they were in my life. If you are in my life, you're going to do what my life is ought to do. Right now, we have descended from holidays, business class. We are back to reality. You have to pay our rent. Because it is because of you we did not take job opportunities. Let me tell you the truth. Me as an employer, I found it rough with young girls They can't persevere. One correction, they are packing, they are going. Just at 1.1 of screaming, they are packing, they are going. They can't persevere. They have no patience. But they have a big life in their head. Now it is quarantine time. Bitch, you are gonna have to download whatever you had in your brain into reality. For those Oga who are paying rent and loaning and sponsoring lifestyle, you must continue. You are not an option. Even you must continue with the job you are doing. They were there for you. Even if you have to cut a bit, 10% or something, but you're not going to cut because you are fully funding their lives. Fund it now. Yes. As mothers, do not allow you to misuse our girls left and right. Now you've gone into your corner with your husband, with your family. You are now a family man together with your children. Left these girls in the streets. Some of them can't even go back home because they are stupid. The ones who cannot go back to their parents are stupid because they don't think. They are still thinking and procrastinating, and rent is accumulating. Madam, if you knew you don't have a job and you're only depending on someone to pay your rent and that money is not coming between now, before you are thrown out, between now, madam, and June, because we do not know where this corona is going to, us people who are owning businesses, we're already closing down. I don't know what you will do with that house. Personally, from my own perspective, I don't know. Because this person, they have families. And every little money everybody has now, they are keeping it for themselves. So if I were you, if this idiot is not picking up calls, madam, start packing. Start packing, because you will say, Akode one day said, I know you're watching. Ha, me na Akode, if today this corona don't stop, I am going to take out that water from that pool. Because me, I'm not going to suffer for nothing. The money I have is for me to eat, not for makeup. I can do without makeup. Even right now, look at how I woke up in the morning. Hey, it is high time right now. We go back to reality. See, that's beautiful, baby. Look. My hair is 650. That is Bomoa, wash, and plate. Yesterday I paid this hair 650. These nails used to cost me 7,000. My friend, after this one, I will call that girl to come and undo them. I'll go back natural. I'm just trying to see if natural is cheaper. For lashes, I called my lashes girl yesterday. She said, oh, you want to give me your corona? So I am swimming as much as I can so that this rubbish can fall out all. So we come back to reality. All I'm saying is, what matters right now is what is going into there. No makeup. See, lipstick, all done. It's no stress for me. I'm happy I can lick my lips. Nobody's beating me. My friend, if you're ugly, you're ugly. If you're beautiful, you're beautiful. And nobody is ugly. That is what people have tried to put into your brain. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. Nami Akode, I'm the most beautiful African queen. Call police upon that. Right now, what we care for as women is food, accommodation, sanitary towels. Sanitary towels, very important, because every month the landlady is here. You understand? So the bottom line is, if you are living in a rented house and you do not have a job, madam, quit. Because the way things are looking right now, nobody is ready for depression. No. Nobody. So, look, I've already finished my stock. It's 1 month. Now today is the 5th. The landlord is already on your neck. Call that man today, send him a text and tell him, if you don't pay this month's rent by now, I am quitting this house. Madam, go and start from somewhere. You cannot continue procrastinating like this. Having sleepless nights because somebody's not picking up your calls. His life is moving on. And this time should be the time for each one of us to think. If you come out of this quarantine moment the same person, madam, you have a problem. Trust me, you have a big problem. This is the right time for you to think about your life. Think about things that you need in your life. Think about things that you don't need in your life. People you need in your life. People you don't need. Things you can do with or without. Me, I've told you. If you like, you can say Akoda is bragging like you always say. But me, I'm just telling you the truth. I was also there some time back. Men did me like this, like this, like this, like this. Until I realized, you're not going to take charge over my life. So, learn from me. All these things I'm telling you, I was a victim. But now when I woke up, I am a mature woman. There's no man who can tell me I'll be there for you. There for me what? If you want that thing, come, eat and go. Stop giving me promises of things you will not deliver. Now they're not picking up calls. See, now we've gotten out from Orchid Valley to mixing. It's almost finished. My stock is almost finished. See my oil. This is the only oil remaining. From my last stock, since they say start quarantine, this is the only oil which is remaining. And me, I don't have to depend on anyone. I depend on myself. Now imagine if I depended on someone and they don't pick up my calls. Boy. Girls, wake up. If you come out of this quarantine the same person, my friend, you have a problem. This is the time to check on who can be there for you, who you can be there for, and who not. What matters and what doesn't matter. See, clubs, all closed. How can you be your own entertainment? How can you make yourself happy? How can you wake up in the morning and praise God? You know, like, this is the kind of faith we have. Right now, all we need is hope, faith, perseverance, tolerance, and above all, believing in God. So let's all turn to God and delete those pseudo accounts. Those pseudo accounts cannot even help you right now. And delete all negativity. Negativity for me. Now for me, anybody who is negative, I delete. That is how life is supposed to be. Okay, guys, I love you so much. But my baba, pick up those guys' phone calls. You are the one who's put them there. You are the one who made them not take the opportunity of getting those good jobs. They will be paid at least half by the company right now. So me, Madam Boss, the president of Single Mothers, has said, we are not going to frustrate our girls. They were there for you when you needed them most. When they were your therapy. They were your massage. Where you go and massage your ego. You know, this is my girl. You know, this is right now, lipstick or all the makeup is about to finish. The government did not quarantine banks or M-Pesa. Send money today. Pay rent. In fact, girls, if your man is still taking care of you at this particular time when you need him most, that is him. I am not encouraging you people to date people's husbands. Me, I'm not even dating self. So don't say, Akoda said, you're already doing it. So I'm just emphasizing that if you are doing it, do it good. Don't do things halfway. But that idiot who calls you when you only need sex and then disappears, block that one. And when quarantine finished, go look for a job. Even if it's a small one, it is your job, it is your money. My mom once told me, my daughter, your money is your first husband. I am experiencing it now. I have no man in my life. I'm living my life. Whether you want to say I stole from them or whatever I did to be who I am today does not matter. The end result, success. Success. And we were so many, I was not the only one. Where are the rest? Do not exchange laziness with prayers. Right now, you are going to pray to God. Please, God, give me food. Before you don't know about him. You only remember God when things are tight. Now, remember who was paying that rent. Call them. If they're not going to pay it, pack your things, go home. Go to your mother. They are missing you. Go stay with them. They are missing you. They want to be with you. Go and start afresh again. Because this, as we can see, the economy is going to bad. It's going to be bad. It's going to jump from worse to bad. I love you girls. And make sure you let me know if they've picked up calls. And if they have not, just know that person is not there for you. That was a short-term solution to a long-term problem. Collect yourself, madam. You still have the strength to do it. We can do it. We all did it. We were there one time in life. We learned. We moved on. And now we are grown-ups. Love you girls and take care. Sanitize. Wash your hands. Keep clean. Stay home. I love you.